What's up, everyone? Today I have my beautiful grandmother and my mom cooking. You're already in the video. So one of the reasons why I did this is because it's very, very important that we gather traditions and we talk about them and we remember them. So even though I'm not gonna show you the entire recipe, here's just like an idea of what it looks like to make the best biscuits in the world from this lady.
Big people bed.
Say hi.
Big people bed.
Say hi, Nana.
Hello, honey. How are you?
The boss. Let's get back to action.
Buttermilk and whipped cream.
Oh, so you didn't put all your buttermilk in there?
Yeah.
But she's gonna use it all. Don't worry.
How do you know it's good?
I don't know if it's good or not.
You look at it, see if it's moist, nice and soft, nice and flaky. You won't know till you take it with the oven, got to read the pan.
Okay. Can you breathe the pan? The oven on?
Yep.
Okay. Now it's time for the get ready for the bowl. Get the block. I probably didn't have to make that much.
What?
You all got any raisin in your head?
Oh yeah, so give that raisin. You want raisin?
You can put a little bit of raisin.
Yeah, but he like
You
raisin.
like raisin?
You like the raisin.
I'm gonna mix that for him.
Yeah.
Little flour.
Wait.
Why are you running?
I gotta play that camera.
Walk in peace and hear what I'm saying now. The world is obsessed with material things. It's time to throw away your selfish needs. Let's let your words agree with how your actions speak.
Well, we are all finished. Our biscuits, unfortunately, you are not able to have any. It was an awesome experience. I think the next time I'm gonna try and do it myself. Nan, thank you very much. They were delicious. Yeah, so father is out here. He's gonna have another bun. He's on his second.
Second time around.
What do you say?
I said second time around.
Got him right on camera. Gonna put that right on YouTube.
No, you know me, I'm good.
How's that bun? That biscuit.
Don't even need no.
Alright, I gotta go.
Put that on there.
See you later.
Put that on there.